the TK20 5-axis machining center offers plus or minus 0.003 millimeters repeatability for unmatched accuracy. It handles small impellers, implants, watch parts, and precision components across industries like medical, jewelry, and automotive. Compact yet powerful, it features a 2.3T frame and can manage workpieces up to 30 kilograms. With the largest workpiece size being diameter 200 millimeters by 200 millimeters, it offers excellent processing capacity. The TK20 is a reliable choice for businesses seeking precision and versatility in manufacturing. We are your partner for providing excellent returns on investment with special metalworking solutions.